What's up, guys? It's your boy WHOTUCKIS here. Today is Saturday, and in the mail today I just got my package from Angry Ass Solutions. I ordered aluminum throttle bushings. I think that's the exact name for them. Basically, this is an upgraded part for the plastic bushings that are on the end of your throttle cables. And when you order these, I think they're $28 before shipping, and you get 2 in a pack. So you get the you get one for the primary throttle cable, and then you get one for the cruise control cable. They're made out of aluminum. The company is based out of Colorado. I'll link their website down in the description below, and I'll put their Instagram down here at the bottom of the screen. Check them out. And without me talking too much about this, let's get to installing them. So to install these, what you want to do is you want to get these out, and I'm not going to lie, these are probably original from factory, so they will crumble like blue cheese in your hand. So what you want to do is you want to take these guys off. Alright, so you want to take this clip out, which is this guy right here. The way you get it out, you pinch these tabs and push, and then it'll come off like that. What you'll notice here is this plastic piece. Like I said, it will crumble. Like, it just fell apart. As soon as I got a wrench on there, it broke apart. So I guess we really don't need it. So what you'll do is, after you get that clip out, you pull it completely out and try to work this bad boy off. So get this bad boy off, just screw it off. This little plastic screw has little grooves in it, so you can just get it out. This guy, though, I'm just going to break him off. I can't get him off of this. So I'm going to get my cutters, I'm going to cut it, and then we can put on the metal piece. Like I said, I was praying on that this would just fall apart, and it didn't, so I got to cut bad boy off. Once you get all this bull crap off, try not to curse so much. Ass is the only thing I'm going to say in this video, hopefully. So you'll be left with this nice little cable.
Look at that, that's nice and shiny.
What you want to do is now, there's that hole, so you can get it on there, and then just screw it in. Alright, so get your snap ring plier. Offset ones are good, my hands are shaky as hell. Let it go. It really helps if you get quality snap ring pliers. And there you go. So you get this guy, has a little slit in the back of it. Get on the cable like that. Push it on. Boom. Pull this back. Get it on there. Yeah. Boom. It's in there. Alright, guys, so I just got finished installing the aluminum throttle bushings. And I gotta say, yeah, the hype's real. These things tightened up my throttle so much that it feels like it's a brand new car. And I gotta say, definitely worth it. $28. Take the jump now. Visit Angry Ass Solutions on their Instagram or on their website and get yourself a pair. So, yeah. Alright, guys, I'm going to end this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Peace.